G'day. Well, here we are at Myponga Reservoir in South Australia on the Fleurieu Peninsula. So here you can see it's a beautiful freshwater reservoir used for drinking water, and it's got lots of redfin, callop and Murray cod in there. So it's a beautiful spot. It's about 7 kilometres long. I have paddled it all the way in the past, but today I'm just planning on going out and showing you how to catch some redfin. So this is the setup. It's a pedal kayak from Tamar Camping. So I've got a couple of rods on board, one with a red squiggly, and then on the other side I've got a hard body Mepps MP30, which is I found really good in the past. So this is the setup. Got a fish finder there, although you don't really need that, but it's useful for the depth. That's the pedal drive, which I'll put in when I get in the water. There's my seat, there's my bag to put my fish in, and we're away. So without any further ado, I'll get in the water. There we go, right by the power. Oh, the tiddler. Unfortunately, you can't return these to the water because they're classed as a pest species. It's a better one. Let's see what he is. He's ready, he's a good one. Trying to give it a bit of drag. It's a big one. Didn't have the drag set properly. I'm lucky I've still got it. Okay, that's set now. We can run a bit now. Where it needs to be. So it'll be a, I think it's a callop. They're good eating. I don't eat them just because they're you catch so many redfin in here, which are just as good to eat. I tend to put these back, but they're a great fish to catch, and that's why I put them back in. Great sport. Yeah, he's a beauty. I'll leave the net for this one. I'll bring him around here. And last time I caught one of these, I ended up in a mess because I got the spines. Sorry, I got the hook caught in my hand, so I'm going to be very careful not to do that this time. They do thrash, so although he's quiet at the moment, he will start thrashing. Right, let's find some pliers, which I've got. I'm just going to change it over, mate. Oh, look at you, you're off already. There you go, what a beauty. Another nice ready. Little trout lure seems to be the lure of the day.